Installing 1.5-inch wheel spacers is a simple process, almost as easy as rotating your tires. All you need are a few basic tools and a way to lift your car. In this video, we will show you step by step how to fit wheel spacers on your Jeep Wrangler correctly and safely. Before we begin, make sure you have the following tools and materials: a jack and jack stand, a wheel leg wrench and plug wrench, a wheel brush or stamp paper, a set of top-centric wheel spacers that match your car bolt pattern, top bolt, and design thickness. Use a plug wrench to loosen the lug nut on the side of the wheel in a diagonal sequence, but do not remove them completely. Using jacks to support each end of the car is a better safety measure. Use a plug wrench to loosen the wheel side lug nut. Remove the wheel of the hub and set it to the side. Locate the wheel hub assembly for rust. You can use a brake cleaner to remove them. Remove any rust and dirt from the wheel hub with a rag. Widen the entire surface to ensure it is smooth, because all of that surface may cause the wheel spacer to not fit perfectly with the hub. Install the BONOSS active cooling wheel spacers. Then install the matching lug nuts. Tighten them with a plug wrench. A key advantage of BONOSS Jeep Wrangler wheel spacers is the active cooling feature. These Jeep Wrangler wheel spacers are designed with petal-shaped grooves. These grooves allow the internal cold air to flow continuously inside the wheel spacer when it rotates. The air takes away the heat, so it achieves the purpose of actually dissipating heat for the braking system. The BONOSS Jeep Wrangler wheel spacers are all forged. The manufacturing process of forge made the internal structure of the spacer denser and firmer. Meanwhile, the material used is aluminum alloy, and it has many outstanding characteristics. Install the ring and then install the stud nut. Use a plug wrench to tighten them on the wheel. Make sure they are secure. Remove the jack stands. Slowly lower the car until the tires fully touch the ground, and remove the jack. Use a plug wrench to tighten the lug nuts to a specific torque. Always tighten them in a diagonal sequence. This will ensure the lug nut work. The same operation is done for remaining wheels. BONOSS recommending checking the use of the wheel spacers every 6 months and checking the vehicle operation to ensure safe driving.